Just a click. And we're looking at coolant temperatures of 82. Just a click. So it's not a cold engine. Heater plug's been plugged in all night long. So sometimes it takes up to 5 minutes to start it. Cycle, cycle, cycle. And this time it started this time. But that's what you get. That was what, the third or fourth time? 6 below outside. The coolant temperature was 80 degrees because it was plugged in all night long. Trans temperature was still in the teens. Oil temperature didn't read because it was below 122 degrees. So that's basically what's happening. This time it only took a minute or so to start it, but it's taken up to 5 minutes to start, depending on what's going on.